Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. Today, I want to talk about what do accounting professionals do. Similar to other sectors, there's different types of accounting professionals. There's those that specialize in manufacturing, those that specialize in tax, specialize in audit, specialize in nonprofit. The gamut is huge. So today I want to talk about what exactly do we accounting professionals do. I know as small business owners and nonprofits, and particularly for startups, we struggle with what do we actually need from accounting professional. A lot of times, everyone will tell you you need a CPA. Your business mentor will tell you, a lender, a bank, a credit union, whatever the case may be, they'll say, "Oh, you need a CPA." Well, a lot of individuals do not understand there's many types of different CPAs. Not all CPAs do taxes. Not all CPAs do bookkeeping. So today I want to talk about what do each of the accounting professionals do. Number one, a bookkeeper. A bookkeeper is someone who specializes in doing the day-to-day activities. So they'll create your invoices for you. They'll pay your bills for you, which means they'll cut the check. They'll issue out the payments, whether that's through ACH. A lot of that day to day. They'll manage inventory. They may even dabble in helping you with some keeper. They may not have an accounting degree. They may have some type of certification. But a lot of bookkeepers, you know what, they just say, you know what, I want to start a bookkeeping business. It seems easy to do, and they go for it. An accountant. An accountant is actually someone who has an accounting degree. And that accountant could come from corporate America. They could have actually worked for one of an accounting firm, and they do accounting work. So this is someone who actually has a degree and an accountant. They may do the bookkeeping along with creating financial statements, helping you with a budget, with forecasting. So if someone calls themselves an accountant, they are usually they're one level up above a bookkeeper. Number three, a CPA, certified public accountant. A CPA is an accountant. They have set for the exam and they have passed a CPA. There are a lot of CPAs that will not handle bookkeeping. They will actually outsource that to a bookkeeper, or they may say we only work with firms that actually have their own bookkeeper. So once again, a CPA, they can audit and taxes. The difference between an accountant, this is someone who does not have a CPA, versus one that does have a CPA. A CPA can actually do an audit. That's the only difference. Also, an accountant can also do taxes. That gets me to the next accounting professional, tax enroll agent. Many people think a CPA is the only person that can do or prepare taxes. That's not true. You can actually have a tax enrolled agent. There's even lawyers who do taxes. And so, what I'm getting to is that you want to make sure you understand what are your needs. I always tell people take out a piece of paper because I feel like when we write things down, it gets a lot of our thoughts out, and then you'll be prepared when you meet with these professionals. Another accounting professional is the CFO's Chief Financial Officer. So if you think about an organizational chart, usually in a small business, if you think long term, what should happen is you should have a bookkeeper, then you should have an accountant, then you'll probably have an accounting manager, and then you'll probably have a CPA or a CFO who's running the accounting department. So remember, those like the bookkeeper, the accountant, they'll all roll up into report to an accountant or CFO. A chief financial officer, which many small businesses usually do not have, this is someone actually who is a trusted partner. They are an accounting professional. They can help you have really a lot of them have a good you have a good peace of mind because these individuals, they're looking at the short and the long term. looking at your cash management. They're looking to see, okay, is there enough cash on hand? They'll help you with cash projections. They'll help you with budget. They'll also help you with the loan application. So they're really, this individual is someone that can bring it all together. They'll help you understand your financial statements. They'll help you understand the lingo. When things happen in your business, this CFO can actually help you say, you know what, if you do this, this is how it would affect revenue. This is how it would affect expenses. This is how it would affect your operations. And not only with the cash flow, but also too, that CFO can actually help you with taxes. They'll say, you know what, you need to go, we need to go talk to our CPA because this has tax implications. So they are what I always call another set of eyes for your business. Once again, many small businesses usually do not have a CFO. I recommend that you do have a CFO, someone that you and your management team can invite to meetings. They'll sit in and they'll say, you know what, this is how it may affect your financials, or have you thought about this or that? So, a CFO really is a good role to have. So once again, we have the bookkeeper, we have the accountant, we have the CPA, we have the CFO, and then also I threw in there the tax enroll agent. One thing I want to mention is that those who prepare taxes, they do need to be registered with the IRS. So make sure whoever is preparing your taxes is registered, once again, register with the IRS. And once again, a CPA does not have to do your taxes. It can be someone who's an accountant. I know many accountants CPA, but they have done taxes for years. They take continuing education classes. And then they also get other certifications. Qualities you want to look for in an accounting professional: someone who can communicate, someone who doesn't talk down to you, someone who actually looks in your eyes and, and you feel like, okay, they're getting what you're saying. And then they answer your questions. They're not, using a lot of accounting jargon. Number two, you're looking for someone who's timely, who can get you the data in a timely manner. You're looking for a partner, someone you can trust, someone who, what I call, is going to be your protector. So hopefully this information is helpful. Make sure, this is almost getting to the end of the year, if you do not have an accounting professional that you can call, find someone. Even if you don't need them on a regular basis, it's always good to check in with an accounting professional. So make it your goal this week to find an accounting professional. Once again, like I said, I hope this information is helpful. If you did not go to business school and major in accounting, you need an accounting professional on your team. So recognize when you need help. We all need help with our finances, and particularly with business finances. So make sure you get on someone's calendar to schedule time to answer your accounting questions. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.